Here it is, Doom, the Dark Ages Collector's Bundle. This could quite possibly be the most anticipated collector's edition of the year. Doom the Dark Ages releases on the 15th of May, and we are lucky enough to get our hands on this collector's bundle early so we can look at it in all its intricate detail and unbox it, ready for release for you. Now, if we open this up, the first thing that we are going to see underneath this cardboard is a physical game. Now, when we opened the Doom Anthology, one of the biggest comments we received was there was no disc. Well, Bethesda and id Software have listened. Here we have the premium edition Doom the Dark Ages disc. Now, this one is for Xbox, but you can get this for other platforms as well. And I'm going to take this out of the box. And the first thing we see right here is the top. So you are going to see this at exactly the same time as me. So it's in a bag. I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to use the bag to pull the whole thing out. And we're going to get rid of the box. Bye-bye. And there it there it is. So I'm going to just slide the bag down, and that is a cool looking box. I'm going to flip it over so you can see the top down version. Oh, I don't want to open it. I want to keep this boxed and just put it on the shelf. It's going to look awesome. We will unbox it because we know that you want to see it. So, we're going to start. You've got the Doom Dark Ages logos on both sides. You've got on the back this awesome image. Look at that. That's a piece of artwork in itself. Oh man, I want that as a poster. On the bottom, you've got all the instructions and all the choking hazard warnings and things like that. Pull this out, look. Oh, it's so cool. And there it is. On the top of this, you have the steelbook, and that is really weighty. I'm going to move this to the side for a moment. That is heavy. So you've got the Doom Dark Ages logo on the back, and then on the front, you've got the shield from the front cover. If we open this up inside, that is sick. You've got the red key card, and that is the weight. This is heavy, and it's metal. That is absolutely awesome. Pull this up to the camera a little bit more. That is really, really cool. It's really heavy. You've got like this diamond effect in here as well. And that is really, really well made. And it just sits in there perfectly. Oh. That steelbook's really cool as well because it sits really well with the Doom Anthology Collector's Steelbook. So these together would look amazing. I am then going to lie this down and pull the figure out. So it's clipped together really nice. It's really sturdy in here. There is the Doom Slayer. So the first thing I'm going to pull out, look at that. So interchangeable weapon and hand. That is really cool looking. Pop that to the side. I'm going to pull this open. The figure itself. And that's really cool. You've got the chain that moves. You've got his gun on the top. The detail on this is absolutely incredible. Look at that sword shield. And then I'm going to pop that down. And then just underneath here, we have the removable cape, which goes and there it is. His cape is on. And then this hand is removable. And you can replace it with... Oh, look at that. That is really well made. The detail is absolutely incredible. The shotgun is really cool, but I really like this flail. So there you have the flail, which looks absolutely awesome. And look, that just goes in there nice and easily. And then you've got a removable shotgun that you can put on and off. I'm just going to pull this forward. This looks absolutely sick. Now, I'm just leaving the flail on for a moment because I've seen a lot of images of Doom, the Dark Ages collector's bundle, and it always has the shotgun. The attention to detail on here is absolutely incredible. You've got all the chainmail, you've got loads of spikes on his gauntlets. Look, all the spikes on his armor, which looks absolutely incredible. The attention to detail on the helmet is next level. And then you've got all these little skulls and destroyed demons underfoot, which he is clearly destroyed. You've also got all the details of all the bullets and pockets on his belt as well. The Doom the Dark Ages Premium Edition is £99.99 on its own. With the Collector's Bundle, you then get this awesome statue. You've then also got the Steelbook with the red key card in it as well. So the Premium Edition does include 2 days early access, a campaign DLC, a digital art book and soundtrack, the Divinity skin pack, which includes matching skins for the Doomslayer, the Dragon, and Atlan. With the base game, you just get the base game, but if you pre-order it, you do get the Void Doomslayer skin pack. So Doom the Dark Ages is the third installment of the Modern Doom series. Players will step into the bloodstained boots of the Doomslayer in this never-before-seen dark and sinister medieval war against hell. A dark fantasy sci-fi single-player experience that delivers the searing combat and over-the-top visuals of the incomparable Doom franchise, powered by the latest ID Tech engine with a customizable difficulty setting. It's the perfect entry point whether you're new to the franchise or an experienced player. Experience the origin of the Doomslayer's rage in this epic, cinematic and action-packed story. Mystery, challenges and rewards lurk in every shadow of ruined castles, epic battlefields, dark forests, ancient hellscapes and worlds beyond. It's the perfect entry point whether you're new to the franchise or a long-time fan. We are fully prepared for that release on the 15th of May. If you enjoy Doom content or Xbox content, do subscribe and hit the notification button. I don't know about you, but I can't wait for the 15th of May to play Doom the Dark Ages. Well, actually with this edition, I'm going to be playing it with 2 days early access. Ciao.